Friends, hi there. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create raised beds that don't require tilling. Once you've made them, you'll save a significant amount of time that you previously spent on weeding. For this, you will need Agrofabric. It is sold online as well as in garden stores. Agrofabric is a type of mulch that helps prevent the growth of weeds. Agrofabric is also referred to as mulching mats. It needs to be cut either with a soldering iron or a hot knife, otherwise it will fall apart. Then the agrofabric needs to be fixed on the raised beds. To do this, create a template by taking a board and making a hole in it with a diameter of approximately 15 mm. In addition, we'll also need a gas burner. Moreover, we need this template to make holes for the pegs that we'll use to fix the agrofabric. We position it in the desired location, ignite the burner, move it towards the hole, the fabric liquefies, and as a result, it will not disperse or rip in the future. And here are the nice even holes you get. Now take a look at the hole you get if you don't use the template. The hole is of a large size and the fabric won't be able to be fixed with a peg. Then we will need these special pegs for securing the agrofabric. But you can also fix it with regular wire. I bury them in the soil. Now the agrofabric won't go anywhere. This is very relevant when you lay it not in a greenhouse but in the garden. There is wind there and it can lift it. Now we need to mark on the raised bed the precise locations where the holes will be for planting. I will have a drip tape in this area and the emitters in it are evenly spaced 50 centimeters apart from each other. So I step back 30 centimeters from one edge. This is necessary so that when the seedlings grow, their leaves do not press against the walls of the greenhouse. And then at a distance of 50 centimeters from each other, I mark holes. I simply place stones at this distance, then take a 2-liter paint can, cut off the bottom, and this will also be our template. I position this paint can in a way that the stone is clearly in the center. Ignite the gas burner, press the sturdy can against the agricultural fabric, and burn it along the edge of the agrofabric. This way, the holes will be very strong and won't tear. And with such a diameter, it will be very easy to plant seedlings, water them, and also fertilize. And this is how my raised beds look after planting seedlings in them. The seedlings are growing well, there are no weeds, and I additionally mulch these holes around the stems with shredded wood chips. This will also help retain moisture under the seedlings themselves, and the soil will not compact here. If info from this video was helpful, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share with friends, subscribe to my channel to not miss new videos. Wish you a successful day and see you in the next video. Thank you for your support.